Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Monday, September 26, 2022. Once again, well, here she is. Everybody fooled me. But Joe and Rick managed to get this puppy out of the hull much more easily than was the case when we did my 331 Hemi with dual quad and a V-drive. So let's go see what we find inside. Joe can give us a little tour. Tour de bottom. What'd you find, Joe?
Well, as I thought, the oil soak is beyond what I thought it was going to be. It's pretty bad. You can take and poke into the frames, and you can literally squeegee out oil.
Liquid oil? Oh.
Liquid oil, and that's along the bilge. I mean, it's everywhere. I'm hoping the keel has been protected enough, but as of right now, I mean, there's some soft frames in here. The oil soak, like I said, is bad, and right now we know that up all the way to the front, because when we took the panel out in the front, about a good solid 6 inches all the way up into the bow is still complete oil. So that engine, I'm assuming, has been leaking oil for quite some time. And I mean, it's not only is it underneath the engine, the floorboards underneath, the sides are complete soaked with oil. I mean, there's literally oil everywhere in this boat.
I wonder how, but well, I guess that separate solenoid is not going to be going back in the boat, huh?
No, that's going to be.
Oh, you can see they're two entirely separate wiring harnesses.
Yes.
Why?
That I've been trying to scratch my head. I'll know more once I go up underneath the gauge cluster, but as of right now, it looks like there's two different harnesses.
Well, there won't be when we get finished. Yeah.
But next is the steering wheel, the fuel tank that can still come out, and a few odds and ends before we can.
I think to be safe when we get her upside down, so we don't have to be super careful, we better release these ceilings.
Yeah.
And that way we're also going to be able to see the extent to which oil has moved all the way to the chine frame. Fortunately, the boat came to us with an empty gas tank because we've gone through this before, and now that it's empty, it slides pretty easily back aft through that aperture you see. I say we slide it easily. That's the editorial we. Somebody's got to shoot the video, right? So we'll keep working. We should have her upside down pretty soon, at which point we'll be getting the tools out and taking her apart. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.